Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Few days back or last month, I've bought few Moha products and I'm using those products from the last 1 month. Now I think it is right time to review those products. So if you are interested to know my thoughts about Moha products, then keep on watching. So first thing first, I want to talk about the Moha or Moha brand. Moha brand is an Indian brand, and after coronavirus we are all in for supporting Indian brands or homegrown brands. मैंने जो products खरीदे थे, I will show you one by one and review them. So let's get started. Moha brand is more of organic side and they are not testing on animals, which is very great thing. First thing I want to talk about their face wash. This one. This is Moha herbal face wash. Cleanse, moisturize and protect your complexion, and it has neem, cucumber, aloe vera and rose. You will get 50 ml of product in 80 rupees, but उनकी वेबसाइट पे बहुत सारे ऑफर्स चलते रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बाय वन गेट वन फ्री. सो आपको कई बार बहुत अच्छी डील्स मिल जाती हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस फेस वॉश. दिस फेस वॉश इज़ वेरी जेंटल फेस वॉश. आई विल शो यू द कंसिस्टेंसी. इट इज़ लाइक दिस and it is very gentle on skin. There was no reaction on my skin and it cleans your face very well, so I really like it. And it has also neem, cucumber, aloe, rose, so they are all natural ingredients. ये पूरा finish होने वाला है. I really like this face wash. I have this aloe vera gel. I got this one by one, like buy one get one free. We all know benefits of aloe vera. तो aloe vera आपको कहीं भी कभी भी काम आ सकती है. So इसमें सिर्फ aloe vera ही नहीं है, इसमें और भी चीज़ें हैं, cucumber and rose, which is very great. So far no complaints. I have this lip balm. लिप बाम, इसका जो फ्लेवर है वो बहुत अच्छा है. लिप्स पे लगाते हो तो बहुत मीठा टेस्ट आता है. So I really like this one. This hair serum from Moha, and I got one by one free. It is for 160 and you will get 30 ml of quantity. But at the same time you can get offer like one by one, or you can get offer on their hair kit or facial kit. You have to apply it on your damp hair. आप अपने गीले बालों पे इसको लगा सकते हैं थोड़ा फ्रिज कम करने के लिए. बाल आपके थोड़े स्मूथ हो जाते हैं. So far I like it. These products are very affordable and effective. Last but not the least, we have Moha sunscreen lotion. From the past 2-3 years I've been using Neutrogena's sunscreen, and I thought कि मुझे अभी when I saw this, so I thought I should grab it. It has aloe, sunflower, rice bran, wheat gram oil, and it is paraben free and sulfate free also. I don't remember the price of this sunscreen, but I will mention in description box. You can check that. It has a very nice fragrance and it has a consistency like this. It is a kind of greasy. It has a very thick consistency, which is a very good thing. But इनमें absorb होने में इसको time लगता है. थोड़ा सा white का छोड़ता है. Like एक बार गलती से मेरे eyebrows में ये stuck हो गया था. Otherwise I have no complaints, no reactions. If you want to buy, you can definitely go for these products. At the same time, they are on budget, so they have great offers. They have great products with good price value. So Moha brand have good quality of product with the good price and with the good offers. You can definitely try these products if you want to. So that's it from my side. I hope you like this video, and if you really do, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please do tell me in the comment section your thoughts about these products. Have you used these products or you want to use these products? Till then, stay home, stay safe.